All right, everyone. My name is Uganda Prince eBay, and I know it's the weekends. I know a lot of people out there having a good time, friends, family, sibling, whatever you guys got going on, But I'm here at the house, just chilling, trying to make moves and try to help folks out there who's trying to find ways to, get a little side hustle going on here and there. But once again, my name is Uganda eBay. Well, actually, Uganda Prince eBay. Mistake my language on that. But today, I just want to discuss a little brief sweet summary. I won't say summary, but a little something better, And the reason why I'm making this video is because I know a lot of people, as a social media platform, a lot of us on the social media platform do use, Facebook. And there's nothing wrong with Facebook. Facebook been around for a pretty long time now, getting close to decades now. But, it's been out for a good amount of time now. And, it's a great platform for anyone to use, because we all use it to, interact with friends, like, comment, do all kind of stuff with it, message, make a phone call with it. Some entrepreneurs, they use it for, market their product, business, so on and so forth. So many great things you can do with it. But what if I were to tell you guys that, there's another platform right behind Facebook, or matter of fact, that's going to be the next Facebook, the next Facebook that is going to, take over. I mean, it's still hanging around there. We have about, I believe, 2.3 million users, if I'm not mistaken. But, it's going to be the next Facebook. And that company is called FutureNet. A lot of people may have not heard about that company, but that company is called FutureNet, And FutureNet been around it came out 2014, if I'm not mistaken. So, it's been around about almost 4 to 5, 6 years. Well, I'll say about 4 or 5 years now. But, this company right here, particularly, it's similar to Facebook. And with this company, FutureNet, there's a lot of revenue you can make money into it. And I'm not trying to make this whole video all about the money, but you can make a lot of money with this company that a lot of people don't know about. And that's why I'm bringing this attention to a lot of people on here that does use Facebook. And with Facebook, we do a lot of stuff on there that, by we using Facebook, they making money off us. You guys know what I mean by that. Some people may know, some people may not know. It may take you guys a lot of while, to catch up on the trend, but I'm just giving you the whole inside scoop. But with this company, FutureNet, a lot of ways you can make revenue, and one of them that I'm going to break down to you guys right now is the social media platform. And it's almost similar to Facebook. If you can see Facebook right here, you got a bunch of groups, you got people that post, like, comment, a lot of stuff you can do on Facebook, don't get me wrong, and with FutureNet, it's the same, similar platform to Facebook. You come in here, you have people on here that, posting their other product for marketing. You have people that, come in here, like, post, comment, all kind of stuff you can do. Matter of fact, we do have like, the IM Messenger, where you, interact with other folks and stuff. You send them a text message or whatever. Like, for instance, let me click that. Same thing. As you can see, you can call, you can add, you can text, you can do whatever, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. And, with this company right here, you get paid for using that platform. And with the method of getting paid, you can get paid in Bitcoin, you can get paid in coin, Litecoin, different way. You can get paid to bank wire, by using that platform. You know, same thing you do on Facebook, you're doing the same thing over here. And you know, with Facebook being made a lot of revenue. And the suck thing about it is they don't distribute that to a lot of us, a lot of people that use Facebook, you know, like people like me or you or whoever, you know, that use Facebook. You know, we all use Facebook to do so many things. And I know I keep repeating myself, but it's the reason why I'm saying that. You know, Facebook being made a lot of revenue. They're $1 billion company. And, you know, with the guy behind it, you know, he already made his money. You know, whatever money he got left is going toward the stock market, you know. So that's just to play money, you know, with the company. But on the other end, he been had his money. He been made his money. He been stashed the money. But he's still making revenue. You know, a lot of revenues. And a lot of this revenue could be going towards a lot of people out here that use this social media platform. But, you know, that don't kind of occur to them, you know, distributing that way. But with this particular company, FutureNet, you know, you do get paid for using their platform. You know, IM, call, you know, post, like, you know, you can have a limited amount of friends. A limited amount of friends. Facebook don't even allow you to do a limited amount of friends. You know what I mean? They don't give you a lot of limited. I think the limit is like 5,000. And after that, you can't add no more friends. You know, you really can't. And, you know, with this particular company, you can actually, you know, add as much as your friends you want. It's unlimited. You know, it's unlimited life. That's why it's called FutureNet Unlimited Life. You know, also has a mobile app too, but I'm not pretty sure how the mobile app works because I haven't used it that much. But I know I usually come in here, log in, kind of like I do with my Facebook. And, you know, with this company, you know, this company right here I'm telling you guys about is something you guys want to look into. You know, it's not that hard, it's not that complicated. And, you know, once you get into this platform, then there's other things that you can make revenue from, you know, like on the other end, it's called Future App Pro. And they had launched their own Future mining coins, you know, where you earn, you know, mining I believe every 15 minutes as well, which is another great thing. And you know, there's just so many things you can do with this company. So the reason why I'm just sharing this with you guys is because on this particular platform you can make money with it just by using it the same similar way you use on Facebook. Facebook don't pay you. You know, we all use Facebook to like, post, do whatever we want to do. But with this particular company right here, FutureNet, it does pay you. So for those out there that don't know about FutureNet is going to be the next Facebook coming pretty soon. That's going to pay you guys in whatever you guys chose the method to be, you know. And myself, I've been with this company for about 2.5 years now, and, you know, it's been a journey for me. So I really can't complain. You know, I've been making a decent amount of profit on it. So if you guys, you know, do go to my YouTube channel, you can see, you know, my recent payout and stuff like that. But, you know, I usually don't like to show all that, so the people don't try to seem like it's all about the money. But, you know, other than that, let me see. They also have games as well. You know, you can play game. When you play that game, you earn money too as well too. So, you know, it's not a complicated platform. You know, once you get the hang of it, then you'll be almost the same thing that you actually do on FutureNet. So, you know, I mean on Facebook. So it's almost the same similar thing. You know, it's just Facebook being made money. And by the way, the owner of this company, you know, his name is I believe it's Roman Zimian, if I'm not mistaken. Roman Zimian, yeah. So he's a very nice guy. You know, he has a lot of insane product that he's coming out with. You know, a lot of great things that he's been doing for this company that we all love about him as well. So if you guys want to look up more about him, his name is Roman Zimian, Romain, Romain. and the last name is Zaminia or something like that. But you guys are looking for a way. This is one of them, and they have FutureNet store as well. You can shop on their platform just like you shop on Facebook as well. On this platform you can shop, you can buy stuff. I have one of my mentors on here that actually went ahead and bought a cell phone. A lot of great stuff, that you can do with this particular company, But for some reason my computer's kind of slow right now. But yeah, as you can see, they have phones. You can shop now. They have clothes. They have T-shirt. They have colognes. I'm looking to purchase one of these items pretty soon. I just haven't got the time to do it. But as you all can see, they have a lot of stuff going on with this company, man. I'm just letting y'all know. This is going to be the next Facebook coming out pretty soon. But if you haven't got on it, you need to get on it. You need to get in touch with me, and I can try to work you guys out. How the system works and what other revenue they do have behind the scene that you can go ahead and start working on too as well. And but let me see what else I can show you guys. Same thing. A lot of people post it's just pretty much almost the same thing as Facebook, But they're actually coming out with a new platform for the social media platform. So I will be sharing that with you guys later on down the line. And as technology changes, software gotta change it, social media gotta change it, So it's just a lot of things that's going on, if you notice. Like with the phones, every 6 month phones are coming out here and there. And but that's just an idea of what I wanted to share with you guys with this platform. You do get paid in Bitcoin or Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash or bank method or whatever you want to use. And with this company FutureNet right under it, they have where you can start earning revenue, which is something I'm gonna have to discuss more in another video. Then they also have they also have the Futuro mining, where you can start mining and you can you start generating profit too as well. And then they have the matrix under this FutureNet too as well. When you introduce this to someone else, based on the level of the matrix they have, you're gonna be earning too as well. So, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm not trying to hold you guys up. I know it's the weekends. I'll be going out pretty soon as well myself. But at the moment, I'm just pretty much just trying to get caught up on some things. But if y'all have any questions, y'all can hit me up. Y'all can inbox me, and I'll be glad to assist anyone out here. But other than that, y'all remain blessed. Have a good weekend.